So today we have something from CCA and it is called CCA Falcon. So it's a dual dynamic driver IEM that are being marketed as a gaming IEM. You can pick up the base variant at around 1540, you can get the mic variant for 1750, and you can also get the Type C that is available for around 1900. So when you will open the box, you have your IEMs inside, you get your cable, some paperwork, and some extra pair of ear tips. So starting off with the design and build quality, it's interesting to see that so many budget IEMs nowadays are coming with such an impressive build quality. So the faceplate is made from alloy, rest part is made from resin, and it's very transparent. And this silver colored faceplate goes on very nicely with the transparent resin shell. And I would say that at this particular price point, these are one of the most beautiful IEMs that you can go for. And if we talk about the pattern on the faceplate, so it's being inspired by wings of the bird phoenix. So overall, very beautiful looking IEMs at this particular price point. And if I talk about the cable, so it was not one of the impressive part of the package, because this brown colored cable actually reminded me of the older cables from KZ. Now CCA is a sub brand of KZ, so I guess they are trying to use some older stocks from KZ, but when I was looking at the 3.5mm jack, so it has that CCA branding. So I don't know if they are using the older stock or maybe it was a choice that they made, but I would have preferred a white or a silver colored cable with these silver colored IEMs. I mean, that would have matched up really very well. And if I talk about the ear tips, so it comes with 2 extra pair of ear tips in the box. So by default, you are getting these wide bore ear tips that comes pre-attached, and there are also 2 pair of narrow bore ear tips in the box, just in case you want a better bass, so you can switch over to the narrow bore ear tips. Now talking about the comfort and fitting, so these IEMs are coming with a very conventional design, and you won't be having any sort of issues related to fitting and comfort, and the overall experience is completely pain free. Now when it comes to technical specifications, so these IEMs are coming in a combination of 7 plus 8mm dynamic driver. 7mm driver is handling the high frequency, and 8mm driver is handling the lower mids and sub bass frequencies and all. And when it comes to the diaphragm, so both these drivers are coming with LCP diaphragm. It's good to see that LCP is finally making its way to the budget segment, and the value of impedance is around 25 ohms, sensitivity is around 104, and you can always pair any sort of entry level DACs like the Audiophile D7 or Audiophile Spark for a impedance value of 25 ohms, and both these DACs are going to give you the good performance. Now when it comes to the audio quality, so straight out of the box, these IEMs, I would say, are not very bassy, but they have a lot of details in the vocals, and also they are highlighting the high frequencies. And if you look at the documentation, so they have clearly mentioned that these IEMs mainly focus on frequency range from 2000 hertz to 8000 hertz, which makes it very ideal for games where you want to listen to footsteps, where you want accuracy and where you want precision, which means that these IEMs are very suitable for games like BGMI and all. Now when it comes to the performance in music, so let's say you're someone who enjoys a lot of music tracks with bass, with a lot of drums, and your taste is like Punjabi music, so these IEMs are not the ideal choice for these kind of music tracks, because if you look at the frequency response, so it doesn't have any lift in the sub bass region and also in the mid bass region. But let's say bass is not your priority and you want to experience music in a very sweet way, so you can definitely pick up the CCA Falcon. I would once again like to clear that when I'm talking about sweetness or details, it doesn't mean sharpness. So there used to be IEMs like the KZ's ZSN series and all, where it used to come with balanced armatures and they used to be extra sharp in the high frequency. So that is definitely not going to be the case with the CCA Falcon, because these are coming with LCP diaphragms that keep a lot of control on the high frequency. So even though bass is a little bit lacking, but you will definitely listen to music in a very sweet way. Now when it comes to the EQ, because maybe you want to extract a little bit of bass out of them, so you can use any equalizer app and give a boost of around 5 to 6 dB in the entire bass section. Because if you talk about the curve, so it aligns very well with the Harman target curve, I mean the first half of the section, and if you give a lift of around 5 to 6 dB, so it becomes very much aligned with the Harman target curve. And in the high frequencies, you can just bring down the vocal channel and also all those bands in the high frequency, so that should fix a lot of problem, and the IEMs are going to sound really very sweet. The second thing you can do in case you want to extract more bass is that you can switch over to the narrow bore ear tips, because these IEMs are coming with wide bore ear tips pre-attached. Now when it comes to the movies, I would say this area is something in which you have to use an EQ, because if you will use these IEMs with the default tuning, so the male vocals are going to sound very thin and it's not going to give you a very natural experience when it comes to the dialogue. So overall my conclusion is that these IEMs are something that is designed for hardcore gamers, especially for games like BGMI and all. For music and all it's okay, but for movies and all, it was something I didn't like at all. So anyway, this was all about it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one, and make sure to subscribe.
Yeah. Say